Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Safety is the priority. Once done, remove the case side panel and position lighting so you can see the VGA port clearly. Inspect the connector and cable. You want to know whether the problem is the cable, the monitor, or the port itself. Carefully look for bent pins, foreign debris, or loose mounting screws. If the pins look slightly bent, you'll straighten them carefully next. If the port is loose, you'll secure it before reconnecting. Now you tackle pin and port repairs. If pins are misaligned, use a magnifier and a thin tool to nudge them back into row alignment. Work slowly to avoid snapping. Once pins are aligned, spray a small amount of electronics contact cleaner into the port and let it air dry. This improves conductivity and removes oxidation. Then check the VGA connector mounting screws and the port's chassis attachment. Tighten loose brackets so the connector sits solidly when cables are inserted. You reassemble and test. Reconnect the VGA cable, secure the monitor, and power the system. Boot and verify output at a standard resolution. If the image appears unstable, change resolutions and check the cable fit. If there's still no signal, swap in a known good cable and test another monitor to isolate whether the port or external device is at fault. If the onboard port remains bad, replace the VGA I/O bracket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.